Welcome, it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today guys I have some Moringa leaf here. I'll be showing you guys how to prepare the Moringa leaf tea, and I'll be talking about some of its health benefit. Okay guys, so if this is the kind of video you want to watch, please stick around and watch until the end. How to make this Moringa leaf tea? Firstly, you need 1 teaspoon of dry Moringa powder, which you're gonna place in a teacup, and then we're gonna pour hot water over, and we're gonna cover, and we're gonna allow this to steep for 3 minutes. After steeping guys, we wanna use organic honey to sweeten. So now, let's talk about some of its benefit. This moringa leaf has been considered to be the most nutritious plant. Moringa contains 92 nutrients, 46 antioxidants, 36 anti-inflammatories, 18 amino acids, 9 essential amino acids. Nutritional value: 2 times the protein in yogurt, 3 times the potassium in banana, 4 times the calcium in milk, 4 times the vitamins A in carrot, 7 times the vitamin C in orange. Wow, this plant is amazing guys. 17 best benefits of moringa powder: boost stamina, control diabetes, antioxidant, lower cholesterol, control blood pressure, detoxifier, treat depression, organic nature, treat minor infections, improve immunity, delay in the aging process, heal wounds, aids in collagen formation, aids improve hair growth, and stimulate hair growth. And this moringa tea you want to consume 1 cup daily on an empty stomach. Thank you guys so much for watching another video, and I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy the benefits of moringa leaf. I will catch you in another video pretty soon. Be safe and stay healthy.